everyone, today I want to share with you my layouts for June. I use the Secret Not Secret Kit Club page maps sketches. Whew, that's a mouthful. And my June Kill a Kit with Style, which was three kit clubs, old kit clubs that three of them that I combined together. And I'm going to be doing that each month where I'll take three of them and then combine them, make one kit. My July I just finished. That's going to be like a summer kit club or a kit. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm done using them. I think I had 35 total kits that I'm going to have to go through. So the first one is this picture. This is the page map sketch that was put in the Secret Not Secret Club. And I made this a two-page layout, actually. So the first page was kind of based on this sketch where I have it out. I have this covered because there's personal information in it, but you can kind of get the idea. So I had the title, and these are pins because this was very special. My Girl Scout troop had a fundraiser, raised money, bought materials. We went on YouTube, figured out how to make pillowcases, and we made 150 pillowcases for children in the hospital that had cancer. So that was their silver award that they did. And then this is part 2 of it, which does not follow the sketch, but I needed 2 pages because this is them delivering it, and there was different things. The owner was showing them how to quilt, and this is them having a snack. It was very nice. They gave them a snack, and then we took a picture of all the pillowcases, and they're holding up their favorite ones. So, and I'm happy to say that I've used all my owls. I have no more owls, so I did stash that, or I bust that stash, I guess. So the next one, what I did is I printed what was in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club Facebook page, and then I printed the one from Page Maps. That was an example. So the next two, there's this one. This one I did a lot of stamping on. I stenciled these green leaves. I don't know if you can see them or not. All around on the background, all up. And then I used the Tim Holtz platform stamp, and I love that thing. I am going to be stamping a lot more. It takes all the anxiety out of stamping. Did I have enough ink on it? Did I put it in place? I mean, I highly recommend it to anybody that wants to get into stamping. And I had these rub-on butterflies from my kit, so I used that. And this is just pictures of my daughter helping my husband at springtime, getting the yard ready. This one doesn't look as much like this. Like, I moved this over. I used the scallops. I have, instead of a little line, I have a big strip, but I modified it. But I did use the scallops as well. I backed it with black paper because it was getting lost, actually, on the polka dotted paper. This is me, my daughter, and my mother-in-law. It was just a really nice picture, and I wanted to get that scrapbooked. So there's that. Nothing crazy on that one. This is the next two. So I really liked how this one turned out. I like the blue against the white and the gray. It came out really nice. I love all the texture on this ribbon, the different ribbons. And I found these vellum airplanes in the kits. They don't really go with what the picture was, but it's spring and, you know, airy, windy, so I threw those on there. I think I need 1 or 2 more clouds, but I will do that before I put it in the sleeve. That was a favorite. This is a messy one, and I wanted it to be messy because my husband and my daughter, when I would be away, they would play. I downloaded my husband's cell phone because he got a new cell phone, so I was downloading the pictures for him so he didn't lose them. And I'm like, what are these pictures? My dog has sunglasses on. She has flarp on her face. This was during Christmas, and they got into the Halloween stuff, so those are like Halloween teeth. And then when all else fails, just, let her draw on you. So this is my husband's arm, and she drew a bird and her name and just stuff. So they were just funny pictures. So I wanted to scrapbook those. And then these, so here's the next two sketches. This is my, I don't know if you can see, those are those jelly bows. I really like those. I got those in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And this is a picture of my daughter using her, she had her, these, she called them buddies. They're little toy figurines, plastic, and she would sort them and play with them. And this is just one where she was going through all of them to see what she had. This one came together pretty quick too. This was an easy sketch for me to do. This one, I really like the blue on this. I thought that since they're such dark photos that it would help pop. This one you can see a little better than this one, but and I did do like a glitter pen on the flowers, which you probably cannot see, but that really gives it a little extra effect. Oh, I did the outline of it, and then I did the middle. Look how that one came out as well. Let's see. Then this one and this one's next. This is the top one, and I had 3 pictures for this one. First off, this went together really quick. I think it was because of this paper. The paper was the hero of it. So I pretty much followed the sketch, right? And since this paper was so loud, but I had 3 pictures, so I added this one with a Project Life card. So I have extra journaling, and then I'm going to journal here too. But then this one did not come together so quickly. I love how it turned out. This was, we went to see the Peking acrobats, and she was Girl Scout, so afterwards they got to stay and talk to the performers, and they told us about like their diet, how they became performers, what they do, what their daily schedule's like, you know, all the different places they go, how much time do they have between performances. And it was really interesting, and I'm glad that the Girl Scouts allowed them to do that, and we've done that a couple times with a couple different shows. But these are all fussy cut, which I've never done before, but this is, I think, the 3rd time I've had this paper, and I was running out of ways on how to use it, so I seen other people fussy cut it, so I did the fussy cutting, and I just kind of did the diagonal, and I followed the sketch pretty close to this one as well. I have some hidden journaling. I do like the gold on the top, and the gold washi right here, but I'm really happy how this came out. And then the last one that I have is the 2-pager, which took me some time to figure out. But I had these pictures on my desk. I scrapbooked some of them already. I think I scrapbooked this one and one like this last month. But I really like these pictures, all 3 of them. They're actually from the same day. And we went to the zoo that day, so I added them to this. So instead of a 2-page spread out, I got 4, but that's okay. I like the way they went with the color. I used my Creative Memories border punch with the circles, and then I backed that. I used my embosser with dots, and then I added it to the back. But I'm really happy how this one turned out as well. And that is all my layouts for the month of June, which I think is pretty good because I was on vacation for a week, and then I had a 3-day business trip, so I didn't have the whole month to create. And I hope you enjoyed my layouts as much as I enjoyed making them, and have a great day. Bye bye.